What's up, YouTube family? Today we are juicing. Juicing's healthy, it's quick, it's easy, and saves you a lot of money doing it at home over going to the store and paying outrageous prices for juice. So we're gonna start off nice and easy today. We're doing a green juice featuring 1 pear, 1 apple, 1/2 of a large cucumber, and 3 stalks of celery. Now personally, I'm not a fan of drinking kale all day. This has 2 fruits in it, get you your sugar nice and sweet, also your veggies nice and healthy. Let's do it. We have the Breville juice fountain right here, $150 on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. I'm not even an affiliate. I don't make any money on this. I'm just helping you out. It's a very simple juicer. It has 2 settings, low and high. For your larger, more dense fruits and vegetables, you want to go high. For the softer stuff, blueberries, strawberries, things like that, you want to go low. That's the basic rule of thumb. Read the manual if you want more information. All right, let's juice. Before we put our fruits and veggies in the juicer, we had to cut them down to size so that they'll fit. Cut the apple into quarters, cut the pear into thirds, and the celery and the cucumber we'll just throw in there. I usually leave the skin on. It all gets ground up anyway, not a big deal. Please just make sure you wash your fruits and vegetables. We're gonna start with the celery, get it in there. Oh, I love that sound, that's so nice. Moving on to the cucumber. And let's put in the pieces of our apple. And finally, we will finish off with the pear. We are done. Here's the juice. As you can see, it's got a couple different layers to it. There's some foam on the top. We'll talk about that in just a second, but first, some tips. As far as the pulp of the fruits and vegetables, put a produce bag in the container. When you are done, you lift it out, you're done. Cleaning up this thing, it's not hard, but there are some steps, so it's nice if you can skip one of them, which is this. Also, this is great for composting. If you compost, use it, it'll help. If not, you can toss this right in the trash. As you can see, there's a layer of foam in the top. Some people don't like the foam, so there is a little collector here on the inside of the lid, which will keep the foam out of your pour. I like to give it just a little swirl to mix up some of the juice. And here we go. Oh, that's looking good. All right, we got about 16 ounces of juice between what's in here and a little bit left over. Time for a taste test. That is good. Doesn't taste too healthy, has enough sugar in it. It's a great juice, great for beginners. Get started, get on your juicing journeys. Any comments, leave them below. You know how to subscribe. I'll see you later with some more videos, and enjoy your summer.